Hello everyone, in front of me is HMD XR21, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. First of all, enroll list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select passwords and accounts, select add account and choose Google. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are, we can start adding the account. So just give it a couple of seconds. And now you need to provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And now mark next. Now decide if this device belongs to you or to your kid. Select next. Click on I agree. And that's it. Here you can manage backup. Now also the Google services. And that's it. So as you can see, your account is added. Then whenever you wish to remove it, mark and choose remove account. Then confirm it by tapping on remove account and by providing your screen lock pattern or PIN code, fingerprint, whatever you have set as your screen security code. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.